So, English syllables, most of us know what a syllable is, but we should just talk about that first before we talk about why we should learn them, before we talk about how we can learn them. And we should learn syllables. We need to know about syllables in order to pronounce things correctly, right? And we'll talk more about why we need to learn this after we do some examples. But first, let's just set the stage here. And let's say very clearly, without a doubt, what a syllable is, okay? Very simply, a syllable is a beat in a word. A syllable has to have a vowel sound, but we don't need to really focus on that. It's a beat in a word. When you say a word, you're going to hear beats in the word, okay? We're not counting letters. One of the mistakes that people often make, one of the common mistakes, is that when people want to figure out how many syllables does this word have, they're counting the letters in the word. Wrong, incorrect, bad, useless, terrible. And I will prove it to you very, very soon. Okay, so that's it. That's what a syllable is. It's a beat in a word. My name is Luke. How many syllables does my name have? Luke. How many beats do you hear? 1. So, my name, Luke, has 1 syllable. How about the word potato? Potato. Now, what should we be listening for? Should we listen to the T sound? How do we hear the beats? Well, that is where it gets, I think, easy if we follow one specific method. Okay? And there is one extremely useful method for knowing how many syllables a word has. There is one very easy method. All you have to do to count the syllables in a word is say the word with your mouth closed. Completely close your mouth and say the word. So, Luke, I'm saying my name with my mouth closed. Okay. Now, how about Kareem? How many syllables? That's 2. How about potato? Okay, 3 syllables. So, closing our mouth allows us to cut out all of that stuff that confuses the beats, that makes us question ourselves, that makes us say, is that really a syllable? Get rid of all that. Say it with your mouth closed, and then it's a lot easier, okay? Simple technique, very simple method. Now, I want to warn you, don't do anything else. Don't start counting words. Don't start counting letters. Don't start saying, oh, well, this word has many letters, therefore it must have many syllables. Or this word has very few letters, therefore it must have very few syllables. No, we shouldn't do that. So let's look at a few words as an example. All right, now, Olivia. This has how many letters? O-L-I-V-I-A. All right, so it has 6 letters. How many syllables does it have? 4. So there are 4 syllables in this 6-letter word. Olivia. All right, so that's kind of a lot of syllables for such a short word. How about aviary? Aviary. Same thing. Aviary, we also have a 6-letter word with 4 syllables. Okay. Now, how about Oceania? How many letters does it have? O-C-E-A-N-I-A. Now, let's count how many syllables it has. 5 syllables. 5 syllables. So it's a pretty short word, not that long, and it has many syllables. Again, we're not counting the number of letters, we're counting syllables. Let's look at the next one. Scrounged. Wow, look at that one. How many syllables does scrounged have? It's many letters, right? It's very long. It's longer than any of the others. Let's say it. Scrounged. Scrounged. Holy crap. Are you telling me that long word is a 1-syllable word? Yes. Scrounged is a one-syllable word. Scrounged. Scrounged. It's not scrounged. If it were scrounged, that would be 2 syllables. It's not. It's scrounged. So, many letters, only 1 syllable. Very interesting. I think that's very interesting, right? Let's look at some others here. We have strengths, another long word, and it only has 1 syllable. Strengths, strengths, strengths. Okay? How about this one? Christmas, Christmas. 2. Christmas. It's a long word, not very many syllables, only 2 syllables. Pretty interesting. How about breakthroughs? Now that's a really long word. How many letters does that have? breakthroughs. That has 13 letters. That's a pretty long word. Now let's see how many syllables. Breakthroughs. Breakthroughs. Oh my God. Are you telling me that only has 2 syllables? Yes, that's right. So I hope you guys can now disconnect the number of syllables from how long the word is. Do not allow the length of the word to trick you into thinking that it somehow has many syllables if it's long and few syllables if it's short. No, nonsense. Close your mouth and say it. Easy technique. Now, why are we talking about this? What's the point? Well, if we know syllables and we know about syllables and we can figure out how many syllables a word has, we can improve our actual pronunciation of specific words. For example, with word stress, we need to know where the syllable lines are. For example, in geographic, if we want to say it correctly, because we have to stress, if a word ends with IC, we stress the second from the end syllable. Any word with IC, we will stress the second syllable from the end. But we have to know what the second syllable from the end is if we're going to stress it. Because we might make the mistake and think that O is a syllable with gra, but that's not true. They're separate. In fact, the first 2 sounds are in geo. That's a 4-syllable word. So we stress syllable number 3, which is the second from the end. We need to know which syllables are which. Now, we also simply need to know syllables in order to say words correctly, to say words accurately. There are a lot of words that sound a little weird, like Hawaii. Hawaii. That's not only about stress, but we need to know the IE is a 2-syllable piece of the word. And we have to be able to distinguish those two and say them correctly. We have to separate that last E sound in the syllables. Now, we also need to know this for fluency. One of the most common mistakes is for words like meandering, this is broken. A lot of people will say meandering, meandering. We need to know that there's a syllable break there, but we should also recognize that it's important to make those flow, that one should go naturally to the next. So we shouldn't say meandering, we should say meandering. Put a little Y there, meandering. So the syllables don't mean breaks in your voice. They just mean 2 different beats. But the beats can be connected. We connect the beats. We can connect the beats. We don't always. But we still separate them. They're still separate beats. Meandering. Still 2 separate beats. That's the basic idea. That's how we can use and learn syllables. Make sure to close your mouth when you say it and start looking for words that have more syllables than they look like they have. Pay attention to this. It's going to improve your listening and it's going to improve your pronunciation. It's going to improve your fluency. So pay attention to this stuff.